In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your API key with Lovable AI in Google Chrome. Whether you're a new user or someone looking to make sure that your AI functionalities are perfectly in sync, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. So let's get started by ensuring you're signed in on Chrome. Open your Chrome browser and head over to the Lovable AI website. Once there, navigate to the login section using your credentials. This might sound straightforward, but remember that having your login details up to date is crucial for a smooth experience. Once you've successfully logged in and can see the main dashboard, look around for either the settings or the integrations panel. It's typically located in the upper menu or might be nestled in the sidebar, depending on your interface layout. Don't worry if it takes a moment to locate. Platforms often update their interfaces, so a little exploration might be needed. After finding your way to the right section, the next thing you want to do is to locate where you can input your API key. This field is usually labeled clearly, as API keys are essential for connecting with other services. So keep an eye out for something like API key input field or similar terminology. Now with the field in sight, it's time to paste your API key. These keys can be from various services. It might be OpenAI or another third-party service that your integration requires. If you've copied the key beforehand, just paste it directly into the input field. Make sure that all characters are accurately pasted, as even slight errors can lead to serious connectivity issues. After doing this, pause for a moment to double-check your entry. A misplaced character can interrupt the entire workflow, so it's worth ensuring that everything is entered perfectly. With your API key successfully entered, it's time to save these changes. Look around for a Save or Apply button. Clicking this will cement your API key in place, allowing Lovable AI to interact with the external AI functionalities that you're setting up. Once saved, it's always a good idea to verify that everything is set up correctly. So let's proceed to test the integration. Initiate a function in Lovable AI that requires the API key. This could be anything slightly complex, such as a command that pulls data or executes a task external to Lovable AI's basic functions. If all has gone well, this should act as proof that your integration was successful. If problems arise, don't panic. Recheck the key or contact support for clarification. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to having a seamless experience with Lovable AI. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.